Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure how the keyboard and mouse in Narator. So if you enable Narator on your Windows 11, you can configure it by click on Windows Start icon and click Settings. You can go to Accessibility and find the Narator. Here you can try to configure how your mouse and keyboard act. Like the Narator key, you can by default caps lock or insert, or you can choose insert only or caps lock only. And also you can lock the Narator key, so I don't have to press it for each command. You can try enable it. And also you can configure on touch keyboard activate keys. When I lift my finger, you can turn this on, or read and interact with screen using the mouse, you can turn this on. And keyboard layout, you can choose standard or the legacy. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also the next button below. See you in the next video.